How to use the block list filter in Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you have been trying to figure out how to enable the block list filter on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using a very easy and clear method. First, open your Facebook application on your device, log into your account, then tap on the user icon in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then go to Settings. Once you're in the settings, you need to scroll down, then go to Followers and Public Content, which you will find under the Audience and Visibility section below the Reels option. Tap on that. Once you're in this page, and here in this page, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the option of Block List Filter in the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that. And in this section, you'll be able to choose a list of words, phrases, or emojis that you want to hide from your profile. Go ahead and enter those words over here and then tap on Save, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can enable block list filter and use it on your Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.